So, tell me some concepts to include in my website and in my book. Any concept related to body or related to mind or any concept that is related to God. So, for body, you can say something about fitness. Some you can share some knowledge that you have in fitness. Right, you do push-ups in your home, or else you can share the knowledge about spirituality when it comes under the concept of God, or else you can even share your knowledge that you have about mindfulness.
Can I tell about mindfulness?
Yeah, sure.
You should do breathing exercises, and you should ignore the things that you hear
That are bothering you.
that are bothering you.
Okay, that comes under mindfulness.
You should just think that is and silent thing that those people are just like flies.
So we can include the concept of mindfulness, under which we can include 3 minutes breathing space concept, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is good. And we can also include meditation, the concept of meditation. We can include that under the mind page. And when coming to the page of body, so tell some concepts to put under the page of body.
Can I tell about the eyes?
Yeah. Okay.
And if you really don't want glasses, you even if you have glasses, you should try eye exercises to um, remove a lazy eye.
Okay.
It is really hard to take.
Okay, so we can keep that under the concept of body, because let us continue the video from where we are. Okay. So we were talking about eyes, right?
Yes.
Because in Telugu we say sarvendriyanam nayanam pradhanam. In the sense, throughout the body, eyes are the most important organs.
Because we need to see.
Yeah, because they are the visual apparatus for us.
Can I tell some more tips to stop the blurriness?
Eye exercises. Okay.
You should not squint because like when you take off glasses and do like this, it will pain and it will not strengthen your eye muscles. Instead, it will
Weaken your eye muscles.
weaken your eye
Okay.
muscles.
Okay, that is good. So till now we have discussed the concept of eyes, right? In the subject of body, but I want the whole bird's eye view. Like, just tell me some random topics that we can include in the book related to body, whatever it is related to body or mind or even God.
Some people are color blind. They don't know all of these colors.
Okay.
So I want to tell about physical activity now.
Okay.
You should practice something when you should not sit like this for too much long. You should do something like this because your legs will strain just like your eyes.
Okay. So you're saying that we need to focus on our physical posture, the way we sit, the way we breathe, right?
And you should not watch too much phone because when we watch like this, our whole body will be like this. And when we sit in this posture, our knees will not get pain.
Okay.
But when we do
So the way we sit will also affect our body. Yeah,
Yes.
that's a good topic.
And you should
Okay, we'll close the video for today. We'll discuss it some other time. Thank you for sharing.
bye.
Bye.